Yes, what do you need it for?
Did you charge your camera? Did you charge your camera?
Yes, the battery is full. Yes, the battery is full.
Can we rent bikes here? Can we rent bikes here?
Yes, at the main entrance. Yes, at the main entrance.
Did you hear my question? Did you hear my question?
Sorry, could you say it again? Sorry, could you say it again?
Did you close the car window?
Yes, because it might rain. Yes, because it might rain.
Did you fill the water bottle? Did you fill the water bottle?
Yes, at the drinking fountain. Yes, at the drinking fountain.
Should we take a picture? Should we take a picture?
Good idea, stand by that tree. Good idea, stand by that tree.
Which season do you prefer? Which season do you prefer?
Autumn, because of the colors. Autumn, because of the colors.
Is your home far from here? Is your home far from here?
No, it's just 10 minutes away. No, it's just 10 minutes away.
Which languages can you speak? Which languages can you speak?
English and a bit of French. English and a bit of French.
How is your family? How is your family?
They're all doing well, thanks. They're all doing well, thanks.
Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening. Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening.
How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city?
For about 5 years now. For about 5 years now.
Where is the nearest restroom? Where is the nearest restroom?
Near the entrance of the park. Near the entrance of the park.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I make great pasta dishes. Yes, I make great pasta dishes.
Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
In a small village in the countryside. In a small village in the countryside.
How do you spend your weekends? How do you spend your weekends?
I usually visit friends or relax at home. I usually visit friends or relax at home.
How was your week? How was your week?
Quite busy but interesting. Quite busy but interesting.
Why do you like this park? Why do you like this park?
I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere.
How often do you visit parks? How often do you visit parks?
Usually on weekends. Usually on weekends.
When does the park close? When does the park close?
At sunset, around 8 o'clock. At sunset, around 8 o'clock.
Do you like nature? Do you like nature?
Yes, especially lakes and forests. Yes, especially lakes and forests.
Did you call your mom? Did you call your mom?
Yes, while you were in the store. Yes, while you were in the store.
Did you bring any tissues? Did you bring any tissues?
Yes, in the side pocket of my bag. Yes, in the side pocket of my bag.
Did you bring a blanket? Did you bring a blanket?
Yes, a small blue one. Yes, a small blue one.
Did you lose something? Did you lose something?
Yes, my blue hat. Yes, my blue hat.
Can we eat here? Can we eat here?
No, there's a picnic area over there. No, there's a picnic area over there.
Did you remember to bring cash? Did you remember to bring cash?
Yes, I have some in my wallet. Yes, I have some in my wallet.
Should we buy ice cream? Should we buy ice cream?
Yes, I see a cart over there. Yes, I see a cart over there.
Should we sit in the sun? Should we sit in the sun?
I prefer the shade actually. I prefer the shade actually.
Should we call a taxi? Should we call a taxi?
Yes, it's getting late. Yes, it's getting late.
Did you bring any snacks? Did you bring any snacks?
Just some apples and nuts. Just some apples and nuts.
Did you hear the bird? Did you hear the bird?